Hi everyone, Tina from Inspired Minds here with our new facilitator, Diane.
Hello.
How's it going?
Good.
Good. We are here to introduce to you, we are back to our in-person community workshops, and Diane is going to be sharing with us on March 16th all about the Emergent curriculum approach. So we are inviting you to join us March 16th for the Enriching Our Emergent Curriculum Approach. We're going to do a lot of reflective discussions, collaboration, really to help you on your own learning journey. So we'll see you there, everyone. Are you ready?
Ready to go.
Let's do this.
Yay!